This is Sarah. Sarah is attempting to stick to a healthy diet in order to achieve her goal. She found a healthy recipe to cook, but unfortunately, not all of the ingredients were available in the kitchen. She will postpone it until tomorrow after she returns from the grocery store. She made a list of what she needs to buy from the grocery store tomorrow. The next day, when she returned home after picking up the ingredients, she discovered that they were already in her kitchen. Her mother had gone grocery shopping earlier as well. They now have far more than they actually need, and there is a risk that the food will spoil before they can use it. Sarah had to go back to the grocery store to return the food she bought. Sarah had to deal with that problem almost every day until she discovered Eat Healthy app. Eat Healthy application will provide the users with a shared kitchen group that will include ingredients available in their kitchen and in their shopping list. Family members can add each other to the same kitchen group. This will support families, as it helps with tracking their available ingredients. Users in the same group can add ingredients to their kitchen and shopping list. It will also provide personalized healthy recipes based on the user's taste and the available ingredients in their kitchen. It has calorie and water intake trackers that will help the users to reach their goal. Users can see their progress by week or by month as well. Know that nothing tastes as good as healthy feels, so start your healthy diet journey and download it now.